Oh, good.
Gusii Nation, viva! Gusii Nation, viva! Viva! Viva, viva, viva! Viva! Gusii Nation, viva! Viva!
Viva! Viva! Viva! Viva Gusii Nation, viva! Viva! Viva Gusii Nation, viva! Viva! Viva wasichana, viva! Viva!
Habari hizi za viva. Haya.
Thanks, our member for the estate. Today we have gathered here as young professionals for Gusii region, that is Gusii and Nyamira, specifically to give our people direction, especially young people. Maybe you are yearning to go for elective seats. And actually, as you are aware, we have a presidential candidate from Gusii region, and that is why we have gathered here, both Gusii and Nyamira youth leadership. Without much ado, you allow me now to welcome the Secretary General, my brother Roger Zongeri, to give us a press statement before thereafter to continue to the next level. My brother, welcome.
Thank you so much. Gusii Nation, viva! Viva! Gusii Nation, viva! Viva! Gusii Nation, viva! Viva! Vijana, viva! Vijana, viva! 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 Thank you so much, members of the Fourth Estate. Today we are here as the Gusii young people, drawn from our two counties, that is Nyamira County and Gusii County. And we have a resolution as a young people that we want to make. And allow me, ladies and gentlemen, read this statement from our youth people from the Gusii region. We gather here today with one resounding message. The future of our people lies in unity. Our strength as a community, as a nation, as a people depends on how firmly we stand together. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our brothers and sisters in the diaspora. I mean, those guys who welcomed our people in the diaspora as a young people from the Gusii region. We want to thank you. You showed us a reason as to why, as a people, we have to come together. Our people in Gusii have now awakened to the truth that working together is the only way to achieve a lasting development. Divisions breeds stagnation, but unit opens doors and shared prosperity. On this International Youth Day, we stand tall with the global community in advancing sustainable development goals. For us, the fight against poverty remains the top of the agenda. Poverty is not lack of resources. It is about the leaders that we choose and we elect at any given time that we are given a chance as a people. Sadly, under the current leadership, our region is weighed down by glaring gaps in development. These gaps exist because resources exist, not because resources are lacking. It is because of our division as a community. You just try to look at this as a community, ladies and gentlemen. When we are together, we are able to ask for things. Our leaders, the leaders that we have currently, somebody went to the yesterday, they are asking for the airstrip. Airstrip cannot help us, as a people of Gusii County. I mean, we are known as people who venture in agriculture. We need to transport our produce from here to Mombasa. We needed Nyangusu Airport. That is what we had asked for. And we are equally asking for the same. We therefore call upon our people, let us reject politics of handouts and embrace politics of tangible development.
Yes. Yes.
In the coming days, incompetent leaders will try to buy their way back into the office with money. But, ladies and gentlemen, money is temporary. Roads, schools, industries, jobs, those are permanent. And those are the things that we demand. Our young people from Gusii County and Nyamira, and indeed the entire Republic of Kenya, do not be swayed by the depth of their pockets. Instead, measure a leader by their integrity, to their record, the sincerity of their vision, and the impact of their service. This is not just politics. It is about destiny of our people, our children, our generation. The dignity of our people depends on how we'll be united as a people. Let unity be our banner, development be our mission, and justice be our legacy. Vijana viva, vijana viva. Viva. Gusii Nation vijana viva. Viva. Now allow me to take this opportunity to welcome again our leader here, such that he makes some remarks, such that we see on how we can move together as a people. As I said earlier, as I read here, my name is Roger Songeri. I come from Bobasi constituency, and I'm the Secretary General to the Youth Council from Gusii region. Thank you so much.
Viva vijana viva. Viva. Viva young people viva. Viva. As we have said, we have just converged here today to give our young people across board the direction that we have to come together and united as a nation or as a community. We want to urge our young people, especially the chances who have not registered as voters and who have not acquired the identification card, to do so. And as we are saying right now, as a council, we have formed a vuguvugu, Okoa Kenya. And that's why we are giving young people civic education to register as voters and to have the identification card, so that it will be able to help us to elect good leaders come 2027. Viva vijana viva. Viva. Lastly, I want to tell our leaders openly today that as young people, if you are elected, please give us the right direction. We have our own candidate, Dr. Matiang'I, as a community, and we therefore urge our leaders not to go for handouts or to mislead the community. Instead, to give us hope, and the hope is only Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'I. So without much ado, I also want to welcome my brother Makumba, so that he can also be able to give a remark before we go to a next person.
Yes. Viva Gusii Nation, viva.
Viva.
Viva vijana viva.
Viva.
Thank you so much. My name is Joseph Nchaga, aka Makumba, and I want to speak on behalf of the silent majority of this nation, the youthful community of this nation. Mnajua vizuri kwamba vijana si katika jamii ya Gusii peke yake. Vijana ni jamii zote za Kenya ambao ndio wengi. The destiny of our youth, yes, might not be written by high voices. Yes, I know. But also, it cannot be written by big bank accounts. Our youths, we are going through a very difficult era where the leadership of materialism is taking the silent ruling. And all of us should stay worried. But I want to encourage our youth that yes, those whom we have given power through the laws of this country, they may see us powerless. But we as the youth are not powerless. We have the power of casting a vote. And as my brother said here, sisi wote kama vijana tushike kura zetu. Tuwe tayari, when the time is right, we will cast our vote. All of us have a responsibility. Na mimi nataka niongee na wote viongozi wetu wa sehemu ya Gusii hapa na wale wa sehemu za nchi zingine ya Kenya. Nikisema hivi, we as the leaders from this region, we have a responsibility. We owe it to our people by just following the law. The time has come that leaders cannot unite to sanitize corruption. Leaders cannot unite to prove that inability of a certain leader should be entertained in this country. And that is why we as a community, we are proud of our son, whom we have fronted to be a flag bearer when time is right, come 2027. A man who has a record that is clear, a man who is known for his performance. Kwa hiyo naambia wote ambao mmechaguliwa hapa Kisii na sehemu zingine za Kenya, tafadhali, vijana wanawangoja. The time is coming when it is your name against the marking scheme. And then the returning officer is going to give you your answers. And please, may the history of this country, when it's going to be rewritten again in 2027, never get you in the wrong side. Viva Vijana Viva!
Viva!
Viva Matiang'I Viva!
Viva!
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Viva Vijana Viva!
Viva!
My name's Judith Ongiri from Nyamira County, and I'm very proud to stand here next to my colleagues here who have spoken very well. Mine is to just say one thing. Come 2027, we encourage Vijana wote, you take your IDs, not to vote. We are voting for good leadership. We are not voting for a tribe. We are voting for someone that will steer us in the right direction. Viva Vijana Viva!
Viva!
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Viva!
Viva Vijana Viva!
Viva!
My name is Ray Angwenyi, equally from Nyamira County. I'd like to say this. Kenya is the government for all of us. We are the people. We were born here. And as Gusii community, we can never go to ANC clinics, have our child carried for 9 months, and then we strangle our own. We must come out even after delivery and protect our child who has been born by ourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time that we must give a rise in our numbers. And how do we do this? Our brothers in this region, our brothers in this country, our brothers in the diaspora, there is one song. We must rally our young people, both female and male, to come out and register as voters. And finally, let us not be awakened by anybody. Let us be driven by our own force that it is our time to stand and be counted. Ili lote lawezekana. Viongozi tuliowapa mamlaka kwa kuwapigia kura, isije ikawa kwamba wamekuwa wapishi, watualike kwa mapishi, lakini tunaposhiba tukumbuke kwamba kuna lile changamoto ambayo tunafaa kushughulikia kama vijana. Viva Vijana Viva!
Viva!
Thank you so much.
Viva Vijana Viva!
Viva!
Viva Vijana Viva!
Viva!
Form ni form, form si form until Matiang'I akuwe president. Form si form
Until Matiang'I akuwe president.
form si form.
Until Matiang'I akuwe president.
Thank you, members of the fourth estate. My name is Gerald Omosa, equally from Nyamira. Now I have a few remarks to make. One, our people have been taken for a ride way too long. And I want to call upon our people, both young and old, that poverty should not hinder us from doing the right thing. Our community for far too long have been taken for a ride. You see, when they come here, they give us 64 shillings. When they go to other communities, they give them tangible developments. I call upon our people, let us know where our interests are. And as it stands, Dr. Matiang'I is the only leader who has the people's interest at heart. Let us rally behind him. Let us call upon all of us to come together and stick to him. United we stand, divided we fall. It is a time I call upon all of us to come together and do the right thing. And the right thing is standing behind Dr. Fred Okengo.
Matiang'I.
A united Kenya is a better Kenya for all of us. Thank you.
Let's go to our...
Viva Vijana Viva!
Viva.
Viva Vijana Viva!
Viva.
Haya, asama liyeta gongoro kwa mheshimiwa Ensa Limaje. Lero una vijana Gusii, Kisii na Nyamira. Igo tuwachire kubera different cheto kando. Tokwanire amangana athujande tubuna abasai. Igo tuwachire tabarayi baito. Ochakira o president governors batakorera emirimo tari buna abasai twanyorere nge toko tivairande rulie go tumika abasai ono basaye nturi konyora ebintu birito bwente konyora buna basaye rituko liarere go twamwagocha buna basaye amo tokwanera obokongu togwetera basaye baito mbabwati gas abantu baito tobwata abarwaire bari kinyagitari shu terigokora bono ebyo bitotosare serikali ito ya Kenya ntunto mangana kurangilia abantu state house tari atu ajora muri kurangilia abantu state house bucho bachi no ka siringi 2000 siringi 1000 ibaga parate yo muntu yagwetha kara ku state house yabwo cha Gusii chi accident chikazene kokolekana nchira baranchi yo totogete chibara chiche chisikuru chiro sigu chinyagitari chiro sigu osengaki korwaroro omuntu tomaito ra fix Kenya yaito igakorwa mweshimiwa Fred Okengo Matiang'I totogete abako musayuri ole isiko emeri etu achakire korosi boniga tutake tosiekerera iyo siso kuma jakole na nunu to igorera mache ngo tingo to irari igo tutake to molindo gogocha otanyora so mweshimiwa Fred Okengo Matiang'I nabantu bagwanta byamanya sati kabasi
abantu baminto mwa Gusii rero twachire gaiga buna basaye ekegori keriegeke ekogerekena kiekegori kiatebeti Matiang'I ate no president omorayi orororo William Samoei Ruto iga akere tuchikura chikoruku 7.1 ase 7.1 million 3.9 million iga aruse tiaria ase chikazeni cheito boikoyo 3.9 million ya bonsi pi batebire nga ba change okoboko bachire gocha Gusii Matiang'I bakwa na kimoroche Ruto agoseka segera atagete koyeri kerende go mochiwo monto amwa 64 tokoboringa abagusii ase more aba mama abasaye uri otarabwate kura tokonyara korusi Ruto onya torabwata kura tokonyara korusi Ruto onya togokeye njara twensi pinto bwate njara lakini njara yaito tigetwara masikanya basaye ngoko baboringa rituko kere korweri mogocha ase lindo musasore erengera ringa kiora nyare korusi Ruto because obuna bwobo rwiro bonene bore Kenya togo chenchi Ruto amangana mariogo na to kinyagitari chipara nchito kinyagitari amangana masomo na mente na bebiya na mono abantu batebire nga babwate si Matiang'I barete Matiang'I esekero asokobori o president Genizi abubara basaye igomo basago kumia abasaye bari motarabwate ibanda soka mubwate aba mama batata tigatutwara okwegena nga nko bwatoreke obo esegere bosura na basabire nga to gendere koremerani nabo igo tuinyore umwana oito Matiang'I ase amasabo
viva vijana viva 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 Kenya viva viva Samarieta nkoro kwanetike mtu kambuni koru Nyansiongo ward ase Matiang'I koru Borabu sub county Nyamira county bono buna baminto bakwana tigato babenge nanda totebeiga vijana tigato ire chikura tobwate kura titobaisa ko ngainwa ekura nerera rusi oyororo bogambi nekura nerera abeke Matiang'I obogambi nakende nkeyo tebi abaibori baito chikura babwate na riri tokogenda ororo teba ko basorora ngaki barigererio omwana oito bamoe ekura igeragambe areto bogambi obuya Kenya twarerire ebijana twakore chiskuru twakore keregento moisonde twatebi kunga gento ngire ku vijana na gosenaki lakini ntoyero chi asego kore kazi mtani Uhuru na chetenero he tried go to focus tobe tokore ntonyu chisigara ntonyu amaru tobe kasagote boni gento togote ku vijana na kazi ntoyero chi enjoy mchama beneficiary of vijana na kazi ya Uhuru and I can greatly tell people nga ntu akorete impact gete nja tobegeta asegeta boni ga ntobwati asitogo chichi skuru ntokorete mogo tware no none chinyomba tugaje. Thank you so much.
Ngoro ku Rebecca Nyatichi Bosire naende bakondo kama Mama County njebona gento nare gukwanera nigoro y'abantu bari baire tugari. We reject politics of blackmail, we reject politics of handouts. Totegete politics yego koruere genuine. Buna bono kanga bari bachiete kanga bachite batote bairwa mabagagete vijana baye guchigas. Osenga kimoro chinu. Kanga vijana bietu chigas kabone yotoroche bare bachire na marube. Abande bari krobo sigande binto binde. Bona mangana yande totegete kwegu. Ndubone ga abazungu bagote you cannot stop an idea whose time has come. And the idea is Fred Okengo Matiang'I. Viva vijana viva. Viva. Matiang'I weka.
Thank you. We have one extra. Yes.
Vijana viva.
Viva.
Marieta nenkuruku Elijah Bogita korunyaribari ntegete goteba iga ondetai otabwatie enchara nonya kerentene ina ningwete enchara korenda abasai baitu buna esabari etogochi oikatochi ko engata nari toranyare ko oika Kanani ndo basaka ba Musa toro kigu Kanani lakini ntokora ki ndonyerora tete goteba iga eganga yeito yo kokora omosike Matiang'I abe the 6th president of the Republic of Kenya teri cheche ekina kitu amuire na toaka chikura rero tokumambi lakini omosike Matiang'I akoreki agambe tegete kobori eserikali ya bono ekere mwaro setie manifesto omwatebete ng'a moche kotoroseri chi market chinyise moche kobeka airport mugateba suneka airstrip ng'a yabeire mbe nkai mwarwerete moko ng'aina abantu baito ng'a bono mwairanirie airport airstrip ng'a moche mokoreki moche morosi chipara dual carriage ekero korigerie pare yeito ebitongo mbiri ebinge omwaka otigarite gose noyomo tochikoenda chikura igo nking'ogo totebi ing'o mwairete abana baito mochikoba chiribu 10 momaye kobatebia inara magenderero twaba promiseti ase emiaka eta nabarai baito kingokorera abarai baito korugusi tiga gokora abana ba minto buna amachara ekiagera ekere mokobaira State House mwababeka amo mwegwa Handouts omoruroche mate abasani baito mwarorera magenderera agendo mwarorere chi amphitheater mwarorere devolution conference mwarorere blue economy intu abagusii na manoti komioka twarengo koegwa iga abantu baminto sabari yero mogusi onde ande tindi gotiana ngoteba tu no bomane mogusi onde gose morai onde otari gochigotenena no mosike Fred Okengo Matiang'I tiga tomokurereremo ui aegwachire
okobo mwenge
yes samarita ngor kumwange Cyprian a point korubobasi tete gote ya abarai mbari gato chorete bataete current distraction we are not be distracted in whichever way buno mogusi we have numbers buno mogusi na ande bono Fred Okengo Matiang'I gogenda State House egendo na tebia abasae chensi mosoka so bonge motwa boninga kiria ikire nsara yaragire president motwe korugusia okoruku Fred Okengo Matiang'I aba moko nya kogenda ngabono Ruto barangeri gochiagari intugusia ntori bantu ba musori bwe chingende omosori bwe chingende oragerobe watchman meke bara momaete kebara taribo Fred Okengo Matiang'I tari gokorera kosori omogusia sikwe na twins boni iga utorochiararia State House nango na Fred Okengo Matiang'I ndoche bono twabweneire ndoche bono twabweneire na Matiang'I gende igoro
tiga tokorera gwe I think timbanye